Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss the review tab of the Word. So this review tab basically has the spelling and grammar option. Okay, you can also use thesaurus, which is given here. You can also count the number of words if you want, and number of word count is also displayed at this bottom part also. If you want to use read aloud function, you can use this also. Okay, if you want to check the accessibility, okay, so it basically helps us to fix issues quickly and easy to follow direction and recommendations. Alt text for objects, which are basically used for screen readers. Okay, and there are other options of the accessibility also. Now if you want to translate, okay, you can select this text or the translate the whole document using the Microsoft Translator, but this option is only available in the new version of the Word. Okay, set the proofing language whichever you'd like to use. You need to download the proofing language packages from the Microsoft website for this. Now if you want to add a comment, you can also add a comment here. Okay, show comments, you can also check. Delete comment, you can also delete the comment, whatever you would like to check. Now if you have kept your document in a track changes mode, this helps to check the track, whatever changes you have done would be tracked. Okay, you can easily see the changes if you have used track changes. Okay, now if you want to accept the changes which have been done, or you can reject the changes. Now if you have two documents and you would like to compare the differences between them, you can use this compare option. Or you have created two documents and you want to combine, you can use this combine single document. Okay, this is a restrict editing option. It limits how much others can edit and format the document. For example, you can prevent formatting changes, force all changes to be tracked, or allow only commenting. This is an hide ink option. Okay, it hides all the ink in your document. That's all. Thank you.